Are you preparing are you preparing for an eventual case that the ICC may have against you?
Yes, actually, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, hindi ko na sinuseryoso nung una yan. Kasi I know nothing about this thing. Wala akong ginawa na would violate the rights of someone, especially much less killing someone or supporting the killing of somebody. Kaya ngayon, siguro siniseryoso ko na. Kasi it appears na some people or some local organization, even foreign organizations are calling for the issuance of warrants against us. So yan, I'm now preparing. I hope to file the appropriate case before the Supreme Court so that I could protect my rights as a Filipino.
What exactly po? What exactly is the case that you are filing before the Supreme Court?
Well, about 4 or 5 months ago, nagpas ang Supreme Court ng yan ang pinaka-latest rules of court nila on extradition. Ang nakalagay dun sa rules na yun, sa extradition, is that before any country could ask or request for the extradition of a Filipino na sinasabi ng criminal o nag-commit ng crime doon sa bansa nila, for example sa Amerika, mayroong judicial process na ginagawa ngayon dito. Nakalagay doon na kung sakasakaling ang Department of Justice will file a request for extradition through the request of a foreign country, then they will have to file that request with a local domestic court. Kaya yan ang concern ko lang is that baka yan ay kulang. Kasi nakalagay doon, it is entitled for extradition. Hindi kasama dyan yung processes that would have to be made with respect to foreign tribunals. Kasi pag extradition, mga bansa lang yan, countries. Pero itong mga foreign tribunals katulad ng ICC, ICJ, wala dyan, hindi kasama doon So, posible, pwedeng maging defense nila, hindi naman yan kasama kayo dyan Kasi para sa extradition lang. Kaya we hope and pray that the Supreme Court would come up with new rules specifically addressing the need for Filipinos to protect their constitutional rights. Katulad nung ginawa dito sa mga extradite na ito.
So, Senator Bato de la Rosa has already filed a similar case?
That's right, that's right.
Pero
And
wala pong
unfortunately, the case did not move because Senator De La Rosa, despite the announcement made by the Ombudsman that he has a copy of the warrant of arrest, the party of Senator De La Rosa could not produce a copy of that warrant of arrest despite the fact na sinabi ng Ombudsman. And their motion to compel the Ombudsman to show them or submit to the Supreme Court copy of the warrant was not favorably acted upon by the Supreme Court. So kung mayroong specific na rule governing foreign tribunals like the ICC, paano ba ang gagawin? Dapat hindi na mangyari yung ginawa kay President Duterte, who was whisked to the Hague without even following the rules under the ICC rules or the Rome Statute. Dapat doon, dinaan din si President Duterte sa ating judicial process. Kaya ako nagpapasalamat at natutuwa ako dun sa suggestion ni Blue Ribbon Chair Ping Lacson na dapat mayroong domestic court ito na dadaan muna sa domestic court bago dalhin sa ICC. Very clear yan. Tama-tama lang. I think I will support that.
So, being named a co-perpetrator, do you think this will trigger a response from the Supreme Court? Because,
I don't know. I don't know, but I hope. Kasi hindi mo naman mautusan ng Supreme Court. That's why I think one of the palaging sinasabi ko during this my interview yesterday and today ay sana magkaroon ng mag-promulgate ang Supreme Court ng another rule specifically covering this warrants of arrest or summons from international tribunal katulad ng ICC.
Well, Attorney, right now there are no charges against you before the ICC, but if you were given the opportunity to testify or serve as a witness, would you be willing to cooperate?
Yes, why not?